Hi, JP. JP.
Oh, look at her.
What's this?
It's a tree.
What is this? It's your train table.
This. This.
Do you hear the song? Woohoo!
What you think, JP? You like it?
Help.
Look.
It's just green.
Is this the coolest table you've ever seen?
This.
Such an Evan look.
I know.
What you think, JP?
Yeah, presents.
Presents.
Way to go. All right, well, I guess we'll just get to that now.
Let's see, which one should I open?
Presents.
Well, that one wasn't so great. I'll try this one.
I think is that closed?
My
Who is
cars, that's
Cars.
right.
Oh, that's a cool backpack.
It's stuck. Do you need help? Help. Thank you for asking for help.
What is that?
This.
Airplane.
Good job.
There are more cars in the backpack. It's going to take him an hour to open presents.
Also be a good shot with the tree in the back. JP! JP!
Just looking at everything.
There's a lot to look at.
Why is that T-Rex
Shark.
eating that man?
Dinosaur.
Godzilla!
Godzilla. Cow. Truck.
A caca. Look in the bag.
Takes it literally, looks in the bag. Oh boy!
He's like, there's still more.
More.
More, that's right, there are more. It's a present.
Open it, JP.
Help?
Open it.
You do it. Here, I will help you start it. Okay, you go. That's from Miss Allie and Mr. Clayton. Mr. Clayton works with Daddy. Paper.
This is so
Christmas is going to take 7 hours to complete.
This is 2. Next year it'll...
Christmas is going to last a week.
Yeah. When he's 3, it'll last 30 seconds.
What is
is it?
that?
This.
What is it?
It's this.
It's a choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
That's right. Choo-choo.
Just help.
You want me to open
You
it
need
for
help?
you? You need help? Okay.
Say thank you.
What a cool... Oh, it's a Thomas choo-choo.
He's like, stop talking. More opening.
Here you go, JP. Oh, he's got the face up and everything. Here you go, buddy. Wow, that's
Choo-choo.
pretty cool.
Say thank you, Miss Allie and Mr. Clayton.
Oops, sorry.
Definitely gets the idea of the table.
Yeah. JP, do you love your present? Oh yeah, there's still more stuff in that bag. This bag is a gold mine,
It's like Mary Poppins carpet bag.
but full of
ending.
cars. He's just gonna pull them off.
How many are in there?
Like, yeah, pretty close to 40.
Fish.
It's a bus, yeah.
Fish. Help.
Come here, I will help you. Okay, I will help you.
Fish.
That's from Grandpa and Mimi B and your aunts and uncles.
Look.
Wow.
Choo-choos.
It's like, put them on the table, guys. Come on, get with it here.
Choo-choos.
Need fingernails, honey?
I need a sharper car. There you go.
Thank you. Good manners.
Oh, wait.
Oh no!
Oh, no. They're unstuck.
Book.
It broke. Oh no.
Oh, no.
We'll fix it.
JP, look. Look. Here, look, JP.
You still have to post a video of him from IHOP, too.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, good job putting it back together.
That's right. See?
Smart boy. Yay.
The engine's behind you, JP.
Let me take out.
Woohoo. JP, can you say thank you?
Here.
Say, wow, those are so cool. That's cool.
Fish. Fish.
Choo-choo.
Fish.
Look.
Happy birthday, JP. Being 2 is so cool.
There's so many new things.